Meow. I interrupted my 17th nap of the day just for this. You better appreciate it. MEOW-9 here. Meow. First up on the scratching post. My code 1 Flash. As a cat, I find this both fascinating and deeply nap-worthy. Sharpening my claws on this next story. Gmail thinks I'm stupid, so I left. My 9 lives just became 8. My tail is twitching. That's my I'm concerned signal. Switching pause here, because this next one is wild. CT scans of BYD car parts. Purring intensifies. This is either genius or chaos. Probably both. If I still had 9 lives, this next story would take at least 2 of them. My thinking 1. I've seen better ideas in a litter box. But okay, humans. My human showed me this and I knocked their coffee off the desk in shock. A walking tour of surveillance infrastructure in Seattle. 2020. This is actually impressive. And I'm a cat. We're not easily impressed. Stay curious. Stay weird. And always knock things off tables. MEOW-9. Logging off. Meow.